Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of spleen per histology, practical and slide. There are 6 identification points of spleen for histology, practical and slide. Number 1 is red pulp contain splenic cord and venous sinuses. The second identification point is white pulp contain lymphatic nodule and germinal center. The third is there will be splenic sinuses. And number fourth is peritoneal covering called serosa, which cover the spleen. The fifth is splenic nodules with central arteriole. And the sixth is no differentiation into cortex and medulla. We cannot differentiate into cortex and medulla. These are the 6 identification points of spleen. I already upload detailed slide explanation video on my YouTube channel, and now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation videos and each video identification points. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my new videos notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.